feels good. Hey, I just want to say I've been to many events with my husband, John, and I always let him do the talking. But now that we're strategic partners, I feel like I want to say to all of you that it just made it that much more special to have a team for a year focusing on people like me who take forever to learn and are very patient. And somehow I still have months to go, so I will go back home and really nail the videos I've missed. And it just made me more aware here this weekend of how much you can pull off in a day with a team that we have, like we have here, to have them all around you for a whole day, centering on the issues that you need to go forward with your Shopify site, if that's what a lot of you are thinking. It would never have happened that fast at home, because I know our son joined us, but he has 6 kids. And so often we're not together on the calls, and I'm trying to pick up the pieces of parts of the calls, but here, everything just came into place. Now I feel like I can go focus on all the odds and ends that we need to put together to get it up and running. And that's pretty fast for us, so I know it's going to pay off. So think positive, everybody. You're with the right team. There's none other like it. I've been in real estate as an administrative assistant and watched how hard it was to get a license and sell homes. There's nothing like this. So don't look back, look forward.
Awesome. Thank you. All right.